here with Mindy's Craft Shack. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare and work with white water slide. First, let's go ahead and get our picture ready. I'm in Cricut Design Space and I'm going to use my hot cocoa picture. Alright, first we're going to go ahead and get rid of the cookies. And then I'm going to get rid of some of these pictures of the hot cocoa lady and just deal with one for now. I want to resize it a little bit and then I'll duplicate it. So I know when I duplicate this, it's going to take many sheets of white water slide, and I am all about trying to save money. So what I'm going to do is, I know you can only have, what is it, 6.75 by 9.75. So I'm going to take the size of my sheet, which is 8.5 by 11.75, and see where I can put these photos on. And then I'm going to go ahead and attach them, and of course I get the remark of, hey, it's too big. So I know I have to downsize it, and so I downsized it to 4, attached it, and now I can get 4 onto one sheet. Now, because I'm using white water slide, I am going to go ahead and put the bleed on. This is because with white water slide, I'm going to have the machine cut it out because I don't want any of that white around the picture. And in just a second, you'll see the printer kick out the water slide here, and then we're going to go ahead, go outside and spray. Now I'm using a clear matte spray for this. It is Rustoliem. So I'm going to go up and down, or up, and then I'm going to go side to side all the way down. And then just to make sure I get it real good, I go in circles all the way over it. Now, because of how many coats I put on, I usually let it dry for a couple of hours. And so now I'm just going to set it through my machine. Now I do cut this, I think I use the white photo paper setting, and so it cuts all the way through. Now the first time I used this water slide, I was told not to spray it before you cut it out, because Cricut wouldn't be able to read those the lines. And so I didn't, and then I sprayed the pictures after it was cut out, and I really had a hard time getting them to come away from the backing when I put it in the water. So I just wanted to show you, you can spray it. It will, Cricut will read those marks. And here I am, I'm ready to put that water slide on the cup. And from here on out, you do it just like you would the clear. You go ahead, let it soak in the water for about 20-30 seconds, and then you can put it on your cup. Now, like I said in my last video, when I did this particular cup, I like using the white water slide on this because it's more pliable. For those of you that haven't used water slide before, I'm just getting that water out from underneath using a silicone brush and then a paper towel. And I'm not pressing hard, I'm just dapping very lightly. Okay, well that's it for today. So hey, if you like this video and want to see more, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. Also, any of the materials that I used today, I will put in the description down below. I hope you all have a safe and wonderful weekend. Bye.